Welcome to video number 230 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, and this is video number 230, future negative. It is very simple. It is I will not eat. He will not go. You have already learned future tense in one of the earlier lessons. You can go there by clicking here, and we'll go to the future negative now. It is very simple. You have to just pick the root of the verb. In this case, we have taken to go, that is poga, and then you're going to use the relevant mata if it is I, mata, 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 mataru, matanga, mato, matinga, matanga. So it's very simple. It depends on which pronoun you use, and the ending is going to be same for all the tenses which you know from the lesson 172 to 176, which please go have a look. It's very fundamental to your learning, which makes your grammar learning much easier. So once again, mate, mate, mata, mata, mataru, matanga, matom, matinga, matanga. So all that you have to remember is that the ending sound which is relevant to each of the personal pronoun in all the tenses. This is not going to change anywhere. Let us see three simple examples. He will not be upset, or he will not get upset. Avaru kovichika mataru. So we are talking about he, and so that is he, avaru. Kovichika means to get upset. To get upset about someone on something. Say if there is no water in the tap, if you are upset on yourself, that is not kovichika. Kovichika means to be upset on about something on someone. So that's a new word for you to learn, kovichika. As you say that fast, it becomes kochika. Avaru kochika mataru. He will not get upset. So this man is saying to someone about another person. Avaru kochika mataru. Avaru kochika mataru. I'll not eat it. Na ada sapida. So sapida is the root verb to eat. Sapida maten, will not eat. Na ada sapida maten. So this little cute boy is saying, I'll not eat it. Na ada sapida maten. I hope it's getting simpler. It's very easy when you learn the proper ending. Ninga solrade ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். So it is we will not accept. நாங்க ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். ஏத்துக்க is to accept. நாங்க ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். நீங்க சொல்றத, what you say, நாங்க ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். நீங்க சொல்றத ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். So these people are, they're saying we will not accept what you say. நீங்க சொல்றத ஏத்துக்க மாட்டோம். Mobile or a laptop or using a tab. If you have a laptop or tab, I would very much suggest you or recommend you to use the laptop or the tab, because the larger screen helps you to focus more, because it's very important that you focus on what I tell you, and especially the scripts. It is very important to follow that. A simple table and anything, the cursor that I move, all that might become not so possible in the mobile. So the best means for you to learn this is through the laptop or tab if you have one. It makes it all the more simple to learn. And all that you have been learning in the grammar so far, I'm going to try to make you revisit them just by uploading simple lessons of each of the things. Like if it's a past tense, maybe a couple of them. If it's a future tense, if it's a negative, anything. So that makes you and helps you to relearn what you have learned so far. So please visit Learn Speak Tamil to learning much more easier. All the best with your Tamil lessons. Best wishes. Vanakkam, vanakkam, vanakkam.